If CapCut is giving you a save error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even trying to export a project on a device with low storage, these steps can help you get back to editing without losing time or progress. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to turn off hardware encoding. On PC, open CapCut and click the menu option, then go to Settings and choose Performance. If you're on Mac, click CapCut at the top of your screen, then open Settings and head into Performance. Inside that menu, look for the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Uncheck that box. This setting can sometimes cause export or save issues, especially if your graphics driver, system performance, or project settings are conflicting with CapCut's export process. After turning it off, click Save if that option appears, then restart the app completely. Don't just close the window, fully exit CapCut and reopen it. Once the app reloads, try exporting or saving your project again and see if the error is gone. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your device storage. A save error can happen when your computer or phone doesn't have enough free space to complete the export. As a general rule, make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free storage available. If your drive is nearly full, CapCut may struggle to render temporary files or save the final video properly. To fix that, delete files you no longer need, remove unused apps, empty your recycle bin or trash, and clear any system cache if your device allows it. On mobile, you may also want to clear old downloads, duplicate videos, or large media files that you don't need anymore. Once you free up space, go back to CapCut and try the save process again. Now, if the error still appears, the third fix is to lower your export settings. Sometimes a project is too demanding for the current device or file format, especially if you're exporting in very high quality. If you're exporting in 4K, try lowering the resolution to 1080p instead. That one change alone can often make the save process much more stable. You can also reduce the frame rate to 30 FPS if it's currently set higher. Lowering the export settings reduces the load on your system and can prevent CapCut from freezing, stalling, or failing during export. After changing those settings, try saving the video again and check whether the problem is resolved. If you're still having issues, it's a good idea to restart your device, update CapCut to the latest version, and make sure your operating system is also current. A lot of export bugs get fixed in updates, so keeping everything up to date can make a big difference. And if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments which fix solved it. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more CapCut troubleshooting videos, editing tutorials, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.